Hello everyone, my name is Leena and I'm a life coach based in Bangalore. And I have an overall experience of about 13 years in the corporate and non corporate industry. And one of my managers, he gave me this quote. He told me this quote, which actually inspired my life a lot, and it gave me a whole new direction to my life. Okay, and that is, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I would spend the first four sharpening the axe. I am in the business of sharpening the axe. I offer different programs, and one of them is creating a new you, which is reparenting your inner child. Okay. Now, I want to share some more details about this reparenting your inner child today, and I would love to talk about it because it's been one of the major contributors in my own life as well. It involves healing fear and shame that many of us go through. This forms the core of the wounded child, causing stress, anxiety, depression, codependency, and fear of intimacy. This can lead to mindless, compulsive behaviors, emotional isolation, a sense of emptiness, and even a sense of addiction. Shame and fear, they make us feel or believe that I am bad, I'm inadequate, I'm unworthy, I'm unlovable, which leads to fear that if I take a particular step in my career or my relationship, one will fail or others will reject this individual. So, shame and fear can affect every aspect of our life. So, they must be recognized, faced, and healed in recovery. Now, how do we heal it? There is a lot of deep learning which goes inside this, and it's a step by step process. However, to just give you a small gist of it, firstly we have to remove any sort of a self doubt which is there within us, that we cannot heal or we are not worthy, right? And then we also have to build in a sense of acceptance about it, and then we have to consciously embrace that side of us so that it will hold our hand and help us emerge further. Okay, so to begin our journey, we have to start by developing a mindful attitude towards the wounded child's pain. And we have to realize that shame and fear are not at fault in us, and it is natural reaction to the unmet need of the child. In this way, we can stop blaming ourselves and instead we can work on healing ourselves. And we can also break out of the prison of shame and fear that many of us are holding on to. I mean, every single human being has this, okay? Every single human being has this somewhere or the other. It's only when you give an opportunity to yourself to meet the right person or the right coach and heal yourself, that's when you come out of it. The key point is we must begin allowing ourselves to our true self to emerge by sharing with trusted people, could be our parents or a coach, and free yourself from that bondage of shame and fear. And it also helps us change the long term patterns of thinking and feeling, and it takes patience, acceptance, mindfulness, and practice to do that. And what I want to leave you with is we all have two states, like, right, the higher state and the lower state of the mind. The higher state of the mind accepts any kind of change or new things very fast, but the lower state of the mind does not let us accept it. It takes time, it takes a lot of time, patience, a lot of work to be done around it before it can accept, and that is the part which you really need to work deeply on. Okay, so we must strive to remove that fear and shame completely, and it cannot, like, more than removing, I would say it's more of acceptance. And it once we start identifying those patterns and once we start distinguishing them, then we have the power to make it lose its grip over our life, and then we can run our life the way we want. All right, so I just want to leave you with this beautiful शायरी, which is, जनाब घायल तो यहाँ सब है, हर कोई परिंदा है, जनाब घायल तो यहाँ हर कोई परिंदा है, मगर जो उठकर उड़ सके वही जिंदा है। दोस्तों, हम सब परिंदों में वो ताकत है जिससे हम अपनी हालातों से उठ सकें, and that's exactly what I want you to work on. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to all of you doing an inner child healing once for yourself and your life. Take care. Bye bye.